start recording this. So if I do the stretch command and I pick a crossing rectangle like this, the yellow lines that are totally inside are just going to move around. The two purple lines that I'm crossing, those are the ones going to stretch. If I select here, see the yellow lines are staying exactly like they were. They're just moving around. The two lines that I crossed, those are the ones changing their angle. They're the ones stretching. Right? Stretch means they get longer, they get shorter. Moving means the yellow lines, they're just dancing around. Okay?
So whatever you want to stretch, don't fully enclose it.
Yep. If you want that thing to get longer or shorter, cross it with the window. If you want it to just move, have it fully inside the window. So if I go back and make, this is going to be my crossing window. Now, see those yellow lines still fully move just exactly like they are. And then the two lines that I crossed, the purple lines, are what are stretching. So let's say I want just that line to move. I can stretch there. Fully enclose that one vertical line, cross the two other lines, and now you can see it's moving and they're still connected to it. But because the line crossed those two purple lines, they're the ones changing size. Yep, so anything that's fully inside is just moving. So yeah, I could go stretch, boom. Guess what? Now it's just the move command. Because I didn't cross anything. Just anything that's inside the rectangle is going to move. Anything that the rectangle is crossing is going to stretch. So I could have it like, make those all. And now if I do this, see all four of those lines that are crossed, one in each direction is stretching. Still that thing that was inside is moving around. It's not changing at all. Okay. Does that make sense?